Hey man, say man, what's up YouTube? It's Life with Jason. I'm back with another video. As you can see, I'm back with another POV video. Right now I'm leaving work, heading to the gym again. But yeah, I was supposed to drop this video today, but I was kind of busy with schoolwork, you know, finals and all that. So I'm gonna try to post it tomorrow. I'm post this one Saturday. But yeah, I'm gonna try to do like at least one of these every day. I don't know, we'll see though. But I'm bringing another highway point of view from the rain, show you how the Q50 handles. But yeah, when I get on the highway, I'll pick up back of the camera. Not gonna lie, I just realized I had the music playing, like that was kind of loud, but it shouldn't have copyright me. I'm gonna probably do some music over it. Alright, as you can see, we're on the highway right now. But by the way, my car is all-wheel drive, but that handles pretty good in the rain. But got a cop behind me. Oh. I hate this lane. This road got any construction on it. It's pouring rain, you can barely see. But yeah, like I was saying, my car all-wheel drive, I handle pretty good in the rain, but since I need like front tires, like I got a good amount of tread. It's good, don't get me wrong. Oh shit. But it could be better. Bro, these lanes, they made these lanes so like nasty, cause like you could tell they was rushing. You can see the old lanes and the new lanes. You can't really tell which one it is because the road is black all this rain. But yeah, but that handle's pretty good. Like you don't slide or nothing in this car. Man, well, I take the handle to the corner pretty well. Mind, I'm doing the speed limit as well. So, but I was at the gas right now. It'll probably get a little sideways, but it's not gonna go nowhere. Hopefully in a couple years I get my dream car, which is a Hellcat. That's the goal. My goal for next year at least to get monetized. But I feel like I would get that. I would hit that goal for sure. Cause I got a lot of things planned for this channel. Should help me reach that goal. And it's really hard saying. And I got dark tint on the windshield. It's because the camera brightness falling on my eyes. But yeah, but like that's probably the next car I bring to the channel. If I can't get a Hellcat, you know, a Hellcat's a Hellcat. I honestly probably get a wide body scat pack or something foreign. I don't know, but I feel like you know, Mopar bring more attraction to the channel as well to help it grow even more. Yeah, I might get rid of this to get one of those too as well. And I might buy a Red Bull later down the road and really mod it out. Like something I want to do with this car, but I'd rather get a Red Sport and it was already fast, got half the upgrades. It would make more sense. And there's more, and there's content to the channel. It'd be like my daily, honestly. I had like the Hellcat or a Scat, whatever. That's just like my going out car, I'd say. But yeah, I'm on the way to the gym right now. I need some gas too, by the way. That's some like treat. They'll be like, by the way, only a few know who I'm talking about. Probably none of y'all really know what I'm talking about. But you from Atlanta. We were cloning them, all them niggas. I like driving in the rain, like, and it's like this. There's something about it, I don't know why. Look, that's why I look doing a muscle car. I be want to like slide and shit. Hit the gas. Oh, he ready to let me go over. You see that? Thank you. Is that a cop? Or I know it's a cop right there on the side. I was ready to get loose. You get a lot of cops out here on this highway right here. And in Westminster. My radar was going off once, but my radar just be chirping for no reason sometimes. I want to get a better radar. Like, my radar accurate, but like sometimes I just feel like it's going off for no reason. It really could be going off for anything too. I watch videos like cars, the blind spot things, I forgot what it's called, but y'all know what I'm talking about. Like it sound like some wave or some shit. Something like that. But y'all probably know what I'm talking about. Yeah, like I low-key cannot see. Y'all probably like how I can see. Let's call the lights off. Really can't see now. Alright, look. You get closer you can see, but this I see all the way back. That's how I drive. But you can still see. The camera not doing this justice. What it is, make everything look clear. But that is not how it look like. That's an Explorer truck. I hate those, I can tell. Almost like cop, but not. I'm taking my time. Speed limit right here 65, 60, so I'm doing like 73 right now. I gotta get my oil change with my, so I ain't really trying to push it too much. I don't know, I ain't checking my oil level to see if it's good or not. Bro, not gonna lie to you, my arm be getting so tired holding this camera up in the same position. I'm ready to buy a head mount one day. So I put it, well, I'm probably record my phone. Damn, I don't know yet. I might use my old phone for that. But have y'all like this angle, something like that. Yeah, with that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on, share this video to a friend, family, whatever. Just share it. Repost at IG. Follow me on Instagram too, by the way. Yeah, that _J in my car page at Q50 Glock with 2 Ks. It's Q50 _ Glock, I believe. I don't know, I'll drop all that in the description below and in the video. I'll type it in there. But yeah, with that being said, see you on the next one. Well, before I go, actually, I want to give you some like downshifting. Yeah, I'm gonna do it when I leave the gym. What is he doing? Bro, that's why I need paddle shifters. But yeah, this is another video, man. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Share this video. You know, way to 1K subs. Thank you.